see. Here's why you shouldn't drive a fake cop car.
The alleged police impersonator has cops questioning themselves.
He doesn't work here, but he does.
Unfortunately for this supposed imposter, one misstep in his masterful plans would trigger the beginning of his downfall.
I'm not sure if this is law enforcement or what.
He's gonna kill everybody on the road. Dude, if I was an average citizen, I would think that was the cop. Right.
I haven't seen one of these in a minute. One of the fake, like, impersonator cops.
Around midnight on January 21st, 2024, an unmarked black cruiser with flashing lights allegedly pulled over a civilian vehicle. The driver of the unmarked cruiser then flagged down a Columbus police officer for assistance. Soon after, a third cruiser arrives as backup. Due to the appearance of the scene, officers expected the stop to be a felony apprehension. Unknown to officers at the time, the whole traffic stop is a fraud.
Fugitive apprehension and bail? I don't know what that is. I'm not familiar with it. I know it showed me a patch or something, but
Fugitive Apprehension and Bail is the name of their company? That seems so illegal.
His car said they've been driving all over the road and gonna kill someone. Yes. From your guys and stuff. He like flagged us down and we came over here and see what's going on.
The officers take a moment to look over the legitimacy of the patrol car in question.
I don't know if that's real or not. I mean,
that's not a good sign.
Yeah.
This is not going to be a felony stop. I'm going to go to 3 with some more information.
Have you ever heard of the federal application?
Questioning the legitimacy of the plates, the officer forwards the information to dispatch to get an answer.
It's going to be out of Ohio. It's Ocean Frank Adam Paul 39. It might come back as the Ohio Fugitives Task Force. I'm not sure if this is law enforcement or what.
That is the case. 120 Marconi Boulevard is the registered address. It is listed as Ohio Fugitive Apprehension Program.
It's so confusing. They have to do this shit like on the fly right now.
In an absolutely unbelievable twist of events, it turns out the vehicle was actually registered to the Columbus Division of Police Headquarters. The information causes the officer to say,
it's real. 120 Marconi. All right, so. It's coming back to your guys' HQ. So, I don't know.
He's gone?
We'll figure out what we got.
All right. Well, that's the fugitive task force guy, ain't it?
Okay. Yeah, that's what it is.
That guy's always all over the place.
So what's the task force fugitive for anybody? Like, good question.
What a vague ass title, and that shit's real? What the fuck?
I called on them.
Yeah, that's...
No, I waved them down. He was going to kill everybody on the road.
What's going on with him?
Dude, he was going 11 on the road, went in front of 3 other people. I'm off duty right now. I'm going home. I got all my gear in the back. I can show my credentials and everything.
Yeah, all right. We checked everything.
Yeah, what's up? He was going to, real problem. So I just stopped him, and I flagged the, I saw the Mark Columbus police officer. I flagged him down. I said, you need to fucking go talk to them right now. That's it.
Do you have a badge number?
These images, exclusively obtained.
Oh, my cat's throwing up. Oh, damn. Hairball. Please don't throw up on this, though. Please. Okay. Let me move it. Is that cool? I know you're like nauseous right now. Damn, I think he's gonna throw up on that. That's okay. Alright, I'll forget about it.
By our channel's investigative reporting team reveal what the mysterious agent presented to the officer. We have redacted any personally identifiable information. Notice the seal of the United States embellished on both the badge and ID, hinting at federal authority. The design also heavily resembles an FBI badge.
Oh, dude, that does look real, though. I would not hesitate to think that this guy's like not bluffing. That looks pretty real. No.
Compare for yourself.
Oh, wow. Oh, you're federal. Okay.
Note that, at least from the perspective of our visuals, there only appears to be one officer speaking to the mysterious driver after he is asked if he is a federal officer. This will be important later.
What is it? Your badge number? Do you have that?
7937.
79. Okay, that's good. Just that way I can put it in the call.
It's a no ops. So I don't know how you guys want to deal with it.
No
First one out here. Yeah, yep.
Bro, this is just like confusing red tape corporate cop stuff.
Thanks a lot.
Are we good?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
It's no ops and language line. Do you want my card?
Sure, why not?
Just in case, whatever.
Yeah, thank you.
The mysterious driver claims to be part of the Ohio Fugitive Apprehension Program, but officers may be confusing him with the legitimate U.S. Marshals Fugitive Task Force, seeing as they've said task force numerous times at this point. Unlike local law enforcement, these task forces specialize in specific cases and operate within particular.
Bro, it's too confusing. All those, they're so close to each other. What is even the difference?
You guys have seen him before?
Yeah.
He's always over here doing
I've never
stuff?
seen him before.
He's always calling and stuff about 48s and stuff. He's like people from like about people on the
Slams his door?
Dude, what do you want us to do with it?
While it was closed?
About 48s
Or like
and
when he's
stuff.
sitting?
He's like people from like
Oh, why?
about people on the state. Never seen him. Dude, what do you want us to do with it?
But he's like legit, though.
Yeah, he is.
Okay. Because that's what we were trying to figure out. We were like, is this guy real?
I thought it was either you guys or then I was like, I was in security. Then I was like, but yeah, he's no ops and I don't know how we're going to handle it.
Yeah,
So,
I'll see what's going on.
okay, cool. Language line, by the way, too, Spanish. So.
I love that.
Oh,
At this point, the officers let the mysterious cruiser leave so they can focus on the driver he allegedly pulled over. As you may
that guy's been sitting there the whole time?
have heard already, the pulled over individual requires a translator, and he is allegedly no ops or has no operator's license. The officers communicate with him by utilizing a human translator over their radio. They find that the driver is a 20-year-old Hispanic male traveling with other non-speaking individuals. This could possibly be the reason why he didn't immediately pull over when he was instructed to do so by the mysterious cruiser. Allegedly, the passengers in the vehicle also do not have driver's licenses on them. After communicating with the driver, the officers reconvene about the situation.
What are you going to do with it, Ross?
Yep.
The officers are likely hesitant to pursue the situation due to the questionable legitimacy of the initial traffic
Oh, no, that's fair. Yeah, you don't know what this guy, if he had reason to do it or not.
stop. Under the Fourth Amendment, individuals cannot be unreasonably seized without probable cause. If probable cause is lacking,
look at all
any
that
related
legal
searches
jargon.
or seizures violate this right. The potential that an individual may not have been stopped unless someone impersonated an officer is a serious violation of the Constitution and opens up the potential for a lawsuit. The officers are wisely hesitant.
Okay.
May baffle you. For now, let's move back to where we left off. The next night, officers then get together to apprehend the suspect roughly 20 hours after the initial
20
traffic stop was
hours later?
conducted. They park their cruisers down the street and make their way to their targeted house on foot.
Hey,
Hey, what's going on?
hey, you remember me from last night?
Yeah, I do. What's going on?
So we had a couple more developments about that traffic stop. Can you come out here and talk to me?
Yeah. Let me get socks and shoes on.
Actually, you're under arrest right now.
Why am I under arrest?
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. For unlawful detainment and impersonating a police officer.
I have done none of that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They thought it was that task force thing and it wasn't, so, well, you were actually impersonating, buddy.
It can't be used against you in court of law, you understand?
I do. Jess, I don't know what's happening right now.
I don't. Yep.
What is happening?
We'll explain it to you in just a minute, but we're gonna do what we need to do and make sure everybody's safe, okay?
Okay.
The officers immediately read him his Miranda rights. Although he voices some resistance to the legitimacy of his arrest, he complies to each command the officers give.
Yeah, that could have been
What
worse.
is happening?
Under arrest, sir, for impersonating a police officer.
How did I impersonate a police officer? I never impersonated any police officer.
We will explain all that later.
As the man is taken to the real patrol car, another officer states
Yeah, he was explaining that he calls in a lot and calls about suspicious vehicles. So he just calls the department a lot and probably got sick of that.
legal license plate under the same tag number, but he swapped out the plates for the more official-looking color. Soon enough, the officers head back out to the real cruiser where the man is apprehended.
Thank you for your cooperation.
This is like an altered license plate.
Can you explain this, please?
Go ahead and take a seat, we'll explain it. That definitely looks like a
police car. It even has a computer and everything.
Oh, you know when it's got the computer, it's a cop car.
Dude, he has a bed in there too.
Yeah, he's sleeping there.
Dude, he has. Dude, if I was an average citizen, I would think that was super cop.
Right.
Yeah.
We ran the number list.
That's too extreme. You're not getting away with that.
But it's just like a third party, like, voicemail box, basically. You can get one.
Those shirts in there, they'll look pretty. It says to a fugitive agent. I don't know how you get those shirts though.
Your bail bonds, and you can't have a.
I don't know how he's got Marconi as his address.
Yeah.
I don't either.
That's well, he'd go to any
Anywhere.
that's what
It's in a medical bag.
he's got the same like dude bag I have, but he's got that little drink bottle thing on the side. I'm like, how did I get one of that? It's kind of nice. I don't want to say he's more dedicated, but I mean, his work years.
He does. Just no authority. If he wants it so bad, just go to the class. After like 2 weeks.
Yeah. Well, with all the stuff.
Yeah, I mean, he's got all the stuff. Like, that's so wild to not even just do the little bit that you need to do. I don't know why they're showing so much.
Restraint on a person's liberty, one for operating a vehicle bearing fictitious license plates, and one for prohibited use of flashing red and blue lights.
Yeah,
Shortly
can't do that.
after, police would get a warrant to search his vehicle and other properties. According to
Oh my
several
God,
news
he's
sources,
100% a police car. There's no normal human that would say that's not.
police documentation, the
Police
police would
would-
find the interior of the squad vehicle had a computer that
that?
very closely resembled official use, a partition between the front and back seats of the vehicle, a shotgun mount, and of course a shotgun, what appears to be handcuffs, tactical gear donning the infamous badge.
Bro, he's armed all the way. That's like a fully stocked police car. I mean, Jesus. Just get the badge. What are you doing? You did everything else.